Yeah, yeah, check that out. Pretty good stuff.
I did a jump before.
Mine was a little better. No, I mean,
whatever.
All right, whatever. We'll move on. Okay, I bet you can do this. Ready for this? Woo!
Oh!
One hand though. One hand. That was really good. Man, I'm awesome.
Oh! No hands! No hands!
That was dumb. Anybody can do that.
Oh, what? Come on!
No.
Quit insulting me!
My grandma can do that. So we're gonna move on to this one. You ready for this? Two. Oh yeah, double. Another double.
Two.
Double. No, there's double.
Oh, three.
You can't do that.
Come on.
You did the same thing I did.
No, I did better.
Whatever. All right. That's some big stuff. I bet you can't do this.
Oh, yeah.
You stink and you match it. Yeah. Get to finish like this. Yeah. I bet you can't finish like that. You have to do the same thing. You're so bad at this.
It was better.
You're such a pig. You can't do that.
I'm leaving.
You get out.
No.
I don't want to be friends.
Alright, so what just happened in this skit? Somebody explain to me what happened. Go ahead. Talk really loud. Yes, they were bragging, they think that they're better than each other. Anything else? Were they being kind? No. What could they have done differently to be kind? Go ahead, Anna.
When the play was first, they were acting nice to each other.
Yeah, at the beginning they were nice and then they got unkind. So, yeah, that's it. So, if you are kind to somebody, do you push them? No. Do you call them dumb?
No.
Do you say that you're better than them?
No.
If you are kind to someone, would you call them your friend?
Yes.
Would you help them?
Yes.
Would you tell them good job? Give them a high five?
Yes.